So today we are looking at kind of an enhanced threat over parts of the kind of South Appalachian area and really along the Mississippi River. And we're seeing it through parts of the Ohio Valley and the Midwest. Our really target area is going to be the kind of where all the states meet around Missouri, Arkansas, Tennessee, Kentucky, Illinois, and Indiana. Right in there is going to be our most severe threat. And we're going to look about kind of tonight is going to be our most severe time. But we're going to get into that in our briefing. So check that out. That'll be posted just a little bit after this forecast. So go ahead and go look at that to be informed of what's going to be happening. Our temperatures for today, very hot. So we are seeing really some 90s across much of the southern plains, and then up into where our severe threat is today, we're seeing upper 80s. And that's going to lead to some of that really building of storms throughout the day, and we'll see tonight how that's going to affect the storms. We're going to see some really high tops. That's going to allow for some hail and some other things. So our composite reflectivity, we really see throughout the day that a system builds over Illinois as a kind of scattered thunderstorms move through the south, but we really see this system building, and it looks like it's going east, but then later in the evening hours, it actually this separates, and the worst of it drops south. We really see it into the corner of Illinois, Indiana, Kentucky, and in the parts of Tennessee, and we're going to see that kind of heavy line of thunderstorms. So that's what we're looking at there. Now, we did notice that there was a slight threat across Texas too, and that's just that one line of supercells we can see through there. But our big target for today is going to be parts of Kentucky, Illinois, Indiana, Missouri, and Arkansas, and you can see that here on the composite reflectivity as we go through it, what all is going to be happening there. And we really see that severity go really towards just after sunset is where it really builds, and you can kind of see that line that goes through. So we're going to see some really heavy wind gusts out in front of this as it's a squall line, but we're going to see some isolated supercells and the potential for multiple tornadoes tonight. So check out our briefing, and we will get more in depth on what's going to be happening today.